Looking in some of the posters in Dubai, I found that it was a lot of child support. A child once told me, Joe, this is not my life, and those dreams are meant for me. But I stand here tonight because someone believed in me, and we owe it to our children to believe in Joe. Support lang!
Ay, may nagtatanong, yung may girlfriend ka na ba daw?
Wala naman. Nuhuli mo lang siya.
Tapos ano, tawag
May
dito?
girlfriend siya eh. Wala pa naman siyang boyfriend.
Si Roland, jojowain o tutrupahin? Jojo, titirahin. Ano yung tattoo mo? Ilan yung, uy, ang ganda ng towels. Parang gusto ko na namang iuwi. Welcome back to Atlantis! Pakainit. Welcome back to Atlantis!
20
Okay, come up. Yeah, we're ready.
Hold on tight.
Okay.
Hold on tight.
Hold tight.
This one also.
Alright.
Leave the phone. It's okay, it's okay.
Guys, we will try the new ride in Atlantis. It's here. Are you guys ready for the new ride? Yeah! Are you ready for activity? Woo! Yay! Hi! How are you? We will try the new ride in Atlantis. Let's try. It's called, what is this? This one? Trident Tower. Hi! How are you? Good? Hi guys! See you again, hello! Yeah! Influencer, hello, how are you? You good? Huh? No, just kidding. Thank you. Thank you. Hi. Wait. Go there, Hanif.
I think I got the wrong place.
Oh my God. Ikaw naman mag-video, kaya mo? You can go, you take video? Yeah, you can. You can.
Wait! Naka-play yan.
Kaya mo mag-isa naman. Stop muna natin. Okay.
Kaya mo mag-isang kamay.
Oo.
Baka mawala po. Maybe my phone is below. You fall down.
Okay.
You fall down. Ay, hindi. Yung Jerome hindi maganda. Wait! Maganda talaga isang kamay ka lang. Jerome, you fall down. It's going. You better was. Oh my God. Ay,
tumatama yung tuhod ko eh. Di pa kayo no?
Correct.
Okay na ito.
Ayan, lubog ka pala sabihin malalim. Hello, shopper ito.
Ang patayin na, nakadulo na, nakalutang ka lang.
Hello everyone.
Working in some of the police areas in Dubai, I found that it was a lack of child support. A child once told me, Joe, this is not my life, and those dreams are meant for me. But I stand here tonight because someone believed in me, and we owe it our children to believe in them. Kabongka!